Hello everyone. So today I thought of sharing an interview question which was asked to me in one of the company during the placement. The question is very simple. The question is we have to sort an array of n elements in O of n times. Okay. So if we take all the sorting algorithm, no algorithm can sort an array in O of n time. But the question was given like this that we are given an array of n elements and we have to sort it, we have to sort the elements, and we have to do this in O of n time. Given an array of n elements and sort the array in O of n time. Okay, so we have to set it, we have to sort the array in linear time complexity. And also they have given that constraint like this, like n will be like total number of elements will be less than or equals to 10 ki power 5. Okay, and each element is having a fixed value. Well, each element is a can be lie between, like a of I will be lying between 10 ki power 6 and 1. Okay, it lies between 1 and 10 ki power 6. So no element of 10 ki, a element of an array will be more than 10 ki power 6. So this is what they have mentioned, and we have to do this in O of n time. Okay, and there was no mention, they did not mention any space complexity, so we can use any, we can use uh, whichever suits to us. Okay, so we are going to sort an array, and the constant are as follows: n is less than or equals to 10 ki power 5, n is equals to the total number of element in the array, and also we are given and that each element of an array will not be less than 1 and not be greater than 10 ki power 6. So these all were the constraint that we have to sort it in O of n time. So how we are going to do this? Okay, so we are going to make an array count. Okay, we are going to make an array of count, and the limit of that count array will be greater than 10 ki power 6. Okay, so I am taking 10 ki power 6 plus 1, 3 zeros, 4 5 and 10 ki power. Okay, this is greater than 10 ki power 6 I have taken. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this count array will count how many times 1 comes, how many times 2 comes, how many times 3 comes in the array. So basically count of I will give me the frequency of I in the array. Okay, if I'm saying count of I, it will return me, it will return, return me total frequency of I in array A. Okay, so in this I'm going to store the element, I'm going to store the frequency of an element which is occurring in the A. Okay, now let us take the input first. Okay, then I'm going to tell how to initialize this. Int n, okay, int A of, so we're going to take input in the array I less than n I plus plus and cin of A of I. So this we have taken as the input. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to count the frequency of each element in this to this. Okay, whereas index will represent the element itself. Okay, like I have already told you, count of I represent frequency of I in the array. So in the beginning, every element, the frequency of every element is equals to 0. Okay, so I'm going to make it as 0, and since we don't know the maximum element in the array, like it can be anything now, like it can be up to 8, it can be up to 9, but it cannot be greater than 10 ki power 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking int I equals to 0, I less than equals to 10 ki power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 I plus plus, and count of I is equals to 0. Okay, now here I am going to store the frequency of each element. How I am going to do this? I am going to just count of A of I plus plus. Okay, so A of I, it is going to increase the index of itself. Like if I am taking 5, so count of 5 will increase by 1. It means frequency is getting stored in each index of count. Okay, so in the end what I am going to do, I'm going to run the loop from I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10 ki power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I plus plus. And if count of I is greater than 0, it means I is there in the original array and we need to print the frequency. And since we are running from I equals to 1, and since we are increasing the I from lowest to highest, so we will be having the lowest element first and then the highest element. So we will be printing, so we will be printing j equals to 1, j less than equals to count of I j plus plus cout j, sorry, cout I. Okay, since we have to print I, how many times we have to print? We have to print I up to the count of I. Okay, so this is we are going to print. And now you might be, it might be looking for, it might seem for you that this is O of n square, this is not O of n square. We need to look how many times we are printing the statement. See, there are n elements, so we won't be printing more than n elements in any of the cases. So the complexity of this is O of 10 to the power 6. Okay, so don't worry about this. So this is how we sort an array if we have to sort an array in O of n times. We have not वैसे तो n log n होती है, पर इसमें O of n है क्योंकि स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी का चक्कर नहीं है। स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होती है कितनी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस यूज़ की है, हमने कितनी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस यूज़ की, इतनी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस की है, क्योंकि हमने खुद से डिक्लेयर किया है, इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी। और इसमें इंडेक्स में एलिमेंट डाला और फिर प्रिंट कर रहा था लगातार एलिमेंट। आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर है। सो थैंक यू।